Before buying a pickleball paddle, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many brands look the same, but the real differences in performance, comfort, and durability can make or break your game. Product number 1, M10 Pickleball Paddle Set. The M10 Pickleball Paddle Set caught my attention with its USPA approval and affordable price of $43.99. This set includes everything a beginner needs: 2 paddles, 4 balls, and a carry bag. If you want a great start in pickleball, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface combined with a polypropylene honeycomb core. This means you get a lightweight paddle that provides exceptional power and control, exactly what every beginner needs to make those first shots count. Plus, the grip is comfortable, measuring 4.57 inches, allowing for easy maneuverability and less wrist strain. With over 6,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that beginners are gravitating towards this set. Now, some people complained about the weight being slightly heavier than expected, at around 7.8 ounces. Here's the thing though, while it may take a bit to adjust, many players find that this medium weight actually helps them develop better control as they grow their skills. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want an all-in-one set that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a super lightweight option or advanced features, but for the price, it's a solid value for money. Now, if the weight of the M10 paddles concerns you, the next option provides a different balance. Product number 2, John Kai Pickleball Paddle Set. The John Kai Pickleball Paddle Set, priced at $56.90, really impressed me with its complete package. This set includes 4 paddles, outdoor and indoor balls, grip tapes, and a bag. If you're looking for a family-friendly option that covers all bases, this one's definitely worth your consideration. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The paddles are made from fiberglass and weigh about 8 ounces, which strikes a fantastic balance between power and control. The larger sweet spot helps beginners make solid contact more often, which can be a game changer when you're just starting. Plus, the set has USPA approval, so you know it's tournament ready if you decide to take your game to the next level. With over 5,000 sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some reviews mention that the paddles are on the heavier side for absolute beginners, but I'll be real with you. While it might feel a bit awkward at first, this weight can help with stability and reduce the risk of mishits over time. This is perfect for you if you want variety and a complete set that's good for both indoor and outdoor play. Skip this one if you prefer an ultra lightweight paddle right from the get-go. For what you get, the value is impressive. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious players. Product number 3, Aopool Wood Pickleball Set. The Aopool Pickleball Set stood out to me for its incredible price of just $27.99. You get 4 paddles, 4 cooling towels, and a carry bag. If you want to try pickleball without a big investment, this set's definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The paddles are made from 9-ply poplar hardwood, which is stronger and more durable than typical wood paddles. This ensures you get a nice feel and control while playing, making it easier for beginners to practice their swings. Plus, the paddle's lightweight design at around 8 ounces allows for quicker movements. With over 3,000 sold recently, it's clear that this budget set is appealing to many. Now, some users mention that wood paddles lack some power compared to composite ones. Here's the thing though, this might actually work in your favor as a beginner, helping you focus on technique without worrying about hitting the ball too hard. This is perfect for you if you want a no-frills, affordable entry point into pickleball. Skip this one if you're set on using advanced materials right away. For the price, you really can't beat the value here. Now, if you're looking to step it up with more advanced materials, the next product is a great option.
Product number 4, Tenvina Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddles. The Tenvina pickleball paddles caught my eye at $42.99 due to their unique carbon fiber design. This paddle is ideal for those ready to take their game seriously. If you want something that offers more control and spin, this paddle is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The multi-layer T700 SC carbon fiber face provides a lightweight yet powerful hitting experience. This means you can generate impressive spin and speed, which is crucial for any player looking to improve. The polymer honeycomb core enhances stability, allowing for a larger sweet spot. With 2,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction among players looking for quality. Now, there were some complaints about the grip not being as cushy as other options, but I'll be honest, this paddle is designed for those serious about their game, and a firmer grip can often enhance precision. This is perfect for you if you're aiming for a more competitive edge in your game. Skip this one if you prefer a softer grip or just starting out. For someone ready to elevate their skills, the investment is worthwhile. Now, if you're looking for a solid all-around option, the final product I have for you is a great choice.
Product number 5, Dulce Dom Pickleball Paddle Set. The Dulce Dom Pickleball Paddle Set, priced at $39.99, offers a great deal with its combination of quality and quantity. You get 4 paddles, 2 indoor and 2 outdoor balls, and a carry bag. If you're looking for a versatile set that can be used anywhere, this is definitely a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The paddles are made from high-quality 9-ply basswood and are reinforced for durability, ensuring they last longer during casual games. Each paddle weighs around 10.58 ounces, providing a good balance for swings and power. With 2,000 sold recently, it's clearly appealing to families and casual players. Now, some users pointed out that the paddles might be a bit heavy for absolute beginners, but here's the thing, it's a great way to build strength and control. Product number 5, Dulce Dom Pickleball Paddle Set. The Dulce Dom Pickleball Paddle Set, priced at $39.99, offers a great deal with its combination of quality and quantity. You get 4 paddles, 2 indoor and 2 outdoor balls, and a carry bag. If you're looking for a versatile set that can be used anywhere, this is definitely a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The paddles are made from high-quality 9-ply basswood and are reinforced for durability, ensuring they last longer during casual games. Each paddle weighs around 10.58 ounces, providing a good balance for swings and power. With 2,000 sold recently, it's clearly appealing to families and casual players. Now, some users pointed out that the paddles might be a bit heavy for absolute beginners, but here's the thing, it's a great way to build strength and control as you learn the game. This is perfect for you if you want a family-friendly set that promotes fun and interaction. Skip this one if you're seeking something ultra-light for competitive plays. For the features, the value is hard to beat. To recap, the M10 and John K paddles are great for beginners looking for a complete package, while the Apollo set is perfect for those on a budget. The Tenvina paddle is ideal for players seeking advanced technology, and the Dulce Dom set is versatile for family fun. Each of these options offers something unique depending on your needs, so pick the one that fits your playstyle best.